So in Silica, I'm marketing manager at Silica. I am responsible for all CRM implementation, sales and marketing in Silica Institute. Apart from that, I'm also managing my logistics business, wherein I am a managing partner of a good logistic company, GLTC Logistics Movers Group, wherein we have 5 branches across globe. I'll share a very honest finding of myself. I was actually unaware of what exactly strategic thinking is when I entered the course. And the thing which I found it here is the very basic was structured thinking, disciplined thinking was the key, and understanding the reality as it is. Strategic thinking, it started. I was wandering around a problem since past 3 to 4 months before. And the moment I entered the course, around 6 to 7 classes, after 6 to 7 classes, I started applying that. And I started seeing changes as well actually. Till now, I have not solved the problem because it's a really big problem. But right now, I'm at a conclusion and with confidence, I can say that it will be solved in coming year. In my career, it's really very impactful in my job as well as in my business. So the best part of the course, I'll say, the techniques which I used here, like 2x2 metrics, scamper techniques, grouping method for discussion, guardrails, these techniques. And apart from that, the very important thing, that it's not about a career-oriented person, it's not about a leadership, it's not about student, it's not about any professional. It's all about everybody across it's not interest or demography basis. It's just see the situation as it is. That was the amazing thing which I learned. So I'll recommend 10 on 10. For me, recommendation will never be like professional should do is, I'll highly recommend that should be started for students of 11th and 12th, because if it will be started for them, they can understand their career moving down the line after 12th and doing graduation, because right now population is wasting their time in wondering that they should do the graduation because ki aisa acha career ja raha, so they should do that. But if they'll learn this in 11th, 12th, they'll be structured and they'll be planned for future.
So the best part of the strategic thinking was learning about how to think in a structured way. First, I used to jump into the solution. So instead of that, now I break down the problem into smaller divisions and then prioritize it. So this gives the clear way to approach the problem and solve the problem better. So strategic thinking will help my career because as I have learned through the strategic thinking, it helps me to understand the user needs, business goals, and also the long-term impact instead of just focusing on the visuals, as I'm a designer now. So this helps me even to prepare for more responsibilities in the future. Yes, I have used strategic thinking in my life. So recent example is as I'm doing the transition into the UI UX design. So first I would bit stressed to how to make an proper approach for this, as there are so many topics and so many laws to focus on. So through this thinking, I have break down the problems and I'm focusing on one by one section like the UI and UX. So this helps me to get a better clear picture on what I'm doing. So I'll rate this course on 10 because it has really improved my thinking in daily basis as well as in the workplace. I recommend this to all working professionals who want to move into leadership roles or decision making roles, as it applies to across all the fields.
Hello, I am Shamika Shirke. I am working in digital marketing for SEO executive. My work is for SEO execution for the on-page activity, off-page activity and content structure and reportings also, executing work. एक्चुअली मुझे ये कोर्स के लिए थिंकिंग के कैसे थिंक करना है, पार्ट ऑफ द पार्ट, गैपिंग, इन्फेंट, फैक्ट, कैसे स्ट्रक्चर वाइज थिंकिंग करना है, वो मुझे ये इससे समझ में आया। ये कोर्स करने के प्रीवियस में थिंक नहीं करती थी, जो अभी मैं स्ट्रक्चर वाइज थिंक करके वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करती हूँ। 10 of 10 बिकॉज मुझे थिंकिंग करने का जो लेवल था वो मैंने अभी डिसीजन मेकिंग करती हूँ और कॉन्फिडेंस भी बढ़ रहा है मेरा।